Hello my friend, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the GMR Finance. So friends, in this video I'm talking about the GMR price change occur in the GMR, and especially in this video I'm talking about the very important update of the GMR, which is absolutely very important for all of you. So keep watch this video till the end friends, and if you are new to my channel, so please subscribe to this channel for more this kind of news and updates videos friends. Anyways, let's start the video friends and let's move on. So friends, the current price of the GMR in the market is 0.000004 USD dollar. On the other side, if you look at the price change occur in the GMR, so the price change is negative 12.55%. The price of the GMR is going down friends in the 24-hour friends. So as you can see here, if you look the highest price, so the price change occur in the GMR is very badly. Let's see the price chart of the GMR and price statistic for what's going in the GMR Finance. As you can see here, the trend fully diluted market cap is also fast down. Oh my god, that's gone wrong. Negative 12.32%. The market cap fast down. Oh my god, I can't believe that. And price signal, I also already told you that 12.55% the price fast down friends. Oh my god friends, at this time the GMR gradually start fast down friends, but after the previous time change occur, as you can see here, and the start take a very high jump, and a lot of people want to buy GMR on this time, but unfortunately after this fast there now this time the GMR gradually fast down friends. So I hope that after some passage of time maybe they gradually start moving upward. That is why I'm waiting for the jump of the GMR Finance, that when the GMR Finance start jumping, and I will become happy. Anyways, my personal suggestion, my personal recommendation for all of my viewers is that please don't do this mistake and don't decide to sell GMR Finance at this time guys. I think it's time to hold GMR Finance, because if you decide to sell GMR Finance at this time, so absolutely you are in the loss, because the prices occur in the GMR Finance as in the negative. So how you can get a good amount of profit from the GMR? Absolutely, there's some negative change occur in the GMR Finance. Anyways, what's your opinion? What's your prediction about GMR Finance? Please tell me in the comment box. And kindly friends, don't forget to subscribe to this tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe now.